Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can change language in Systeme.io website. You can see I'm on Systeme.io website, and this is the all-in-one marketing platform. Basically, with this software you can do everything related to marketing, like email marketing, website creation, automation, or lots of things. If you want, you can check the first link in the description below. That's the affiliate link. So let's back to the topic. So to change the language, all you have to do is find this section, this one on the top right corner, and find your native language that you want to read, and browse the Systeme.io website or Systeme.io software. So this is how you change language on the Systeme.io website. And if you have Google Chrome and Google browser, you can change the language directly from the website browser section like this, or you can, if you go to this section, and this is the translate section, and this will pop up. This is the one where you can use this trick on any website that you visit. Or in the case of Systeme.io, all you have to do is go to this section and you can choose the language. So I hope you like this video. If you like, let me know in the comment section. We'll mention it.